Hare Krishna. Today we are at this place in Purnia where they are actually taking out the seeds which have actually fallen down from the makhana flowers. So once the leaves get decomposed, I mean they fall down and the seeds get into the pond. They lie on the floor of the pond. And there's this special community, the people who live here, it's called Malla community. They are actually very trained and skilled into picking these seeds from the bottom of the pond. And this is the process which is actually taking place right now in front of you. They are going into the pond. They don't wear anything except a small piece of cloth on them, and they put some oil so that it prevents them from mosquito bites and other stuff. And this is how this is actually taken out, and there is this basket in which they would actually pick these from the bottom, and then they would put this into this pot, the large pot, the aluminium pot. So you can see these seeds. These are black color seeds that you see. I would appreciate the kind of effort that these people are putting to bring this healthy snack to your table. It starts from here, then undergoes many more cycles. We will show you those cycles as well. But this is the first cycle. When the crop happens, the seeds fall on the bottom of the pond. These people have to pick them out and then they go for the next level of process. So as you can see, this is the flower of the water lily pop, and this is where it grows in the pond, and these are the big size leaves. As you can see, these have a lot of thorns on them. They're not very easy to kind of roll over, but as you can see, and this is where the seeds are there. I don't see any seeds in this one. So now you can see I will try to dig out some of these leaves. These have a lot of thorns on them. It's not really possible to use your hands, bare hands, to touch them. They're like thorns everywhere. I mean, as you can see, they're like all these thorns. So I tried doing that, but it is very difficult, and that's why you can appreciate how those people were going into the pond and taking it out. So as you can see, I'm trying to turn a plant over, but there are no seeds underneath it. So as you can see, there are some seeds lying here in the water. So they've just fallen down from the leaves. Let me take out a seed. This is the seed. So yeah, so now I'll take you inside this place where a group of villagers, they are actually popping the makhana. So when we get the seed gets transferred to this place. First it is dried here, and then the entire process of popping starts. And this entire popping process is so difficult that you will see how even the women, the men of the family, everybody is involved to do this process. And we should also appreciate the kind of living conditions that the people are in, and how if that makhana, this crop grows internationally, goes into every home, we can actually improve the lifestyle standards of these people as well. So it impacts the real community on the ground, and that is a very important mission that we have at our brand, to grow makhana or the foxnut globally as a snack. So this is where the seed is sun dried so that the initial moisture gets out, and this is the seed that we just got from the pond, the other pond. There you could see a lot of people harvesting these. And now we will go to the place where these seeds are popped. They use this corn, the dried inside of the corn, the core of the corn, as a fuel. After the sun drying, where the seed comes, and they put initial heat into it, and then they actually put it for cooling for 24 hours. And the process of 2 steps, as you can see, the entire popping process. This is the first step where you create the initial heat inside the seed, and it's a very difficult, very hard seed. And from here, it is stored for 24 hours over here. And now we move to the other part where it is popped. It's very hot here. It is very hot, unbearably hot here. The place where finally the seed comes after standing for 24 hours, after cooling for 24 hours, it comes here, and you see there's an entire step-by-step process where it is put into different kind of kadhais or the pans, and finally the temperature is increased, the heat is increased inside the seed, and as you can see over there, it is being popped. Every seed is popped manually. As you could see over there, they are actually putting that pressure inside, generating the heat inside, and then actually using that kind of tool or the hammer, they are actually crushing every seed to get the white makhana out of it. Just to show you, I don't think I'll be able to do it.
दीजिए हाँ
बहुत गर्म होगा।
दीजिए ना गरम उसमें हाँ हाँ
तो यहाँ पर तोली हो रहा है. This process called toli, where you actually buy the stuff in the original format before the sorting, and this is just one stage before the sorting, and this is where the makhana comes from the podi, and this is where we store.
चलिए धरिए करा वैसे तो
So here we are at a sorting facility where this entire setup using a conveyor belt, and you can see we are employing the women community, and this is how the final sorting takes place of makhana, and that's where you get the highest quality of makhana. You see, all of these are women workers, and they work under very hygienic conditions, and they would actually separate the last round of separation, where the flat ones, if there is some impurity that has come in during the process, that is all removed using hand. So again, this is a very exhaustive process. It's a very tedious process. It's not easy, and everything is done by women, the local women from nearby areas, and this is how it is generating so much of employment and giving that empowerment to the women and the people from the villages.